Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, with a new product from our friends at the Grommet that I think you might find interesting. It's called the Ecoegg. Now, this Ecoegg is designed to replace your laundry detergent in your washing machine. There are pellets inside this Ecoegg, and when it's filled the first time with the pellets, and you get a couple extra packets as well, you can do up to 210 loads of laundry. Now, this is really quite unique in the fact that there are no harsh chemicals. It's 100% hypoallergenic, and when you look at the reviews online, people absolutely love it. Towels are fluffy, laundry smells fresh. This has a little bit of a scent to it as well, and there's different versions of it depending on what you want. But you can use one of these eggs by refreshing the pellets and get almost a year of laundry use in your home. It's sufficient to use in just about any kind of washing machine, whether it's a front loader or a top loader. If you have the type of unit that also does the drying, it's a good idea to remove the egg before the drying cycle because it will shorten the life of the pellets inside. So if you're looking for a brand new way to save some money, reduce the chemicals in your life, and something that's hypoallergenic for your family, check out the Ecoegg, available at your participating Ace stores and at thegrommet.com.